Hi everybody, this is Michal from MCP Core Team. Today I'm going to show you create client functionality recently added to our IntelliJ plugin. This plugin works in and has been tested in IntelliJ IDEA, WebStorm and Android Studio. You can import it and activate it in just like install from disk and download release from our GitHub repo. It works on existing and new projects. So I'll go ahead and create new Android project. It's looking for client app definition in root of your project, and you can see the balloon notification that it did not find it. We'll go ahead and create one. So basic validation on empty name. We're also checking for duplicate names. Let's give it my app, my ID, created in the project, root .aerogear.json is our client representation. You can also, you can go ahead and try it here. You can see that client has been created. You can also use tools menu and Aerogear mobile create client, and we can create a new one if we want to. Just show you duplication. Yeah, give it number 2. You can see that has been updated and we have 2 clients here now. So that's everything. Thank you.